Before we open a single tool, look at the final product, a fully branded YouTube channel, actively running a monetizable video with clean visuals and dynamic captions. This is exactly what we are building today. आज मैं आपको zero से एक complete AI faceless YouTube channel practically बनाकर दिखाऊंगा. Channel setup से लेकर first video create, thumbnail, upload और basic monetization strategy तक. कोई long theory नहीं, पूरा screen पर practical demo. To make every detail clear, we are running this entire process inside a dark mode, distraction-free workspace. Every click, prompt, and setting will be visible on screen. You are getting an exact, replicable sequence. By the end of this session, you will have the complete blueprint to build and launch this asset yourself. Step 1 is defining what your channel is about. We open ChatGPT or Gemini and type a specific prompt asking for beginner-friendly, high-demand faceless niches. From the output, we analyze the audience demand and select a single topic to focus on. Now we move to YouTube. Click Create a Channel, type in your chosen channel name, assign a unique handle, and paste a clear description of what viewers will learn. Next, we open Canva to create the visual identity. We select the exact dimensions for a YouTube profile picture and channel banner, choose a clean template, adjust the text, and export the files. Uploading these images to your channel completes the foundation. A properly branded layout establishes credibility with your viewers immediately, long before they click on your first video. With the channel built, we need content. Returning to ChatGPT, we ask for 5 specific video ideas tailored to our new niche, and we select the one with the strongest educational value. We prompt the AI to write a full video script based on that idea. The raw output provides a good structure, but the tone is instantly recognizable as AI. It feels stiff, robotic, and lacks personality. This side-by-side comparison shows the required fix. We manually edit the first draft, replacing heavy, complex words with simple language and a natural conversational flow. We take that improved, humanized script and paste it into our AI voice generator. We select a natural-sounding voice model, set a confident speaking speed, preview, and click Export. For the visuals, we open an AI image generation tool. We read through our script and type specific prompts to generate relevant, high-quality backgrounds and scenes that directly match our voiceover. Your manual curation during this phase is what separates a spam channel from a monetizable one. Original phrasing and carefully matched visuals are how you create actual value. Now we bring the raw materials together. We open a video editor like CapCut and import our AI voiceover track, the generated visuals, and a subtle background music track directly into the timeline. First, cut out any dead air in the voiceover. Then, drag your visual clips onto the timeline so that the image on screen changes exactly when a new idea is spoken. Finally, drop the background music volume low enough that the voice remains perfectly clear. Watch this timeline playhead sweep across the screen. We use the auto caption tool to generate text for the entire video, then style it with a bold font and specific highlight colors to keep the viewer's eyes anchored to the screen. Removing pauses and keeping the visuals moving prevents the audience from clicking away. Tight editing controls the pace, and pace controls viewer retention. This split screen shows exactly what to avoid. A thumbnail crammed with tiny text is unreadable. Instead, we use Canva to design a single high-contrast visual with only 3 bold words. Inside YouTube Studio, we click Upload Video, select our exported file, and upload our clean, high-contrast thumbnail, and make sure to select No, it's not made for kids under the audience settings. We ask ChatGPT for title ideas, then manually refine the best one so it reads naturally. We write a simple description that accurately explains the video without stuffing it with random keywords. You can spend hours editing a perfect video, but if the thumbnail and title fail to generate that initial click, the YouTube algorithm will stop testing it. Packaging is just as important as production. Before publishing, open the YouTube app on your mobile phone. Over 70% of your audience watches on a small screen, so you need to verify that your thumbnail text is readable and your title isn't getting cut off. Once your content is live, revenue comes through avenues like the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate links in your description, and eventual brand sponsorships. Building this takes consistency. There is no shortcut to instant income. Look closely at this checklist. YouTube will actively reject channels that upload mass-produced slideshows or reused unedited clips. You must provide original value and human editing to remain eligible for monetization. To survive on the platform long-term, you have to treat AI tools as your assistants to speed up the workflow, never as an autopilot that replaces your creative decisions. This glowing flowchart maps the exact path we just took, from selecting a niche and building the foundation to generating assets, final editing, and monetization. Every video follows this exact loop. As you repeat this cycle, friction drops and output quality rises. अब आपके पास एक complete AI faceless YouTube workflow head, जिसे आप खुद repeat कर सकते हो. Start building your channel right now.